Do you use smart contracts for your operations and wonder whether they have legal validity in Europe? The issue of the legal enforceability of smart contracts is at the heart of a debate involving judicial authorities and industry professionals, with criminal consequences for those who take the wrong approach. At ICAA, we are the international law firm specialized in criminal defense for individuals involved in legal disputes and criminal proceedings related to smart contracts in Europe. The legal validity of smart contracts depends on a fundamental question. Can computer code constitute a legally binding contract, or is it merely a mechanism for the automatic execution of agreements made in traditional form? The answer is not uniform across different European jurisdictions. Some member states have expressly recognized the full legal validity of smart contracts, establishing that a contract does not become invalid simply because it includes terms executed automatically by computer code. However, for a smart contract to be considered a legally binding contract, it must meet the traditional requirements of contract law: offer, acceptance, and consideration or cause. Many smart contracts operating in the crypto sector do not meet these requirements because they are automatic protocols without identification of the parties and without explicit consent to the terms. This ambiguity creates real criminal risks when transactions automatically executed by smart contracts cause financial losses or are used for illegal activities. Authorities charge developers with criminal liability for qualified contractual non-performance, computer fraud when the code does not do what the documentation promises, and money laundering when smart contracts facilitate the movement of illicit funds. ICA offers specialized criminal legal defense for developers and operators involved in proceedings related to smart contracts in Europe. We defend you in cases of investigations for contractual non-performance and liability for losses caused by a malfunction of smart contracts, accusations of computer fraud when the behavior of the code does not match advertising representations, and allegations of facilitating illegal activities through smart contracts used by third parties for criminal purposes. We assist you in demonstrating the compliance of smart contracts and the legal requirements for contract validation by analyzing the technical aspects and the code to prove the absence of fraudulent behavior. We protect your assets from seizures related to disputed transactions carried out through smart contracts. We operate through a legal network active in Germany, France, Malta, the Netherlands, Switzerland, and in all European jurisdictions with specific regulations on smart contracts. Our team includes criminal lawyers with expertise in contract and digital law, as well as technical consultants capable of conducting code audits as defensive evidence. If you are under investigation for issues related to smart contracts or want to verify the legal validity of your smart contracts before facing litigation, contact us immediately. ICA is the point of reference for criminal defense in proceedings involving smart contracts in Europe. Our helpline is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Request a confidential consultation now.